Serving my easy Mexi-Mince in crispy tortilla cups with a fresh salsa makes a great value family meal. While the Mexi-Mince is cooking, preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Ping the tortillas in the microwave according to the packet instructions to soften them, and then brush them lightly with oil. Then press them into a Texas-sized muffin pan, pressing the bases down firmly so they're nice and flat. Bake in the oven until they're golden and crispy. This will take between 7 and 10 minutes. Fill with the hot Mexi-Mince recipe, and then top with your favourite salsa, guacamole, sour cream, or whatever you fancy. If you'd like to give this recipe a try, then head on over to recipes.co.nz.